All right, so I wanna balance. Let me show you. Ash, let's come right here. All right, so Ashley is in right now. Ashley is in the shade, and the buildings are in the sunshine. So I want to balance the lighting on her with the lighting on the sunshine and make it look balanced. So we're gonna do a couple of test shots to get that effect. First of all, I'm not gonna use the flash. So you're going to expose for the environment and then light for the subject. What does that mean? Expose for the environment. The environment is the overall scene. This is what I want the lighting to look like. I want the buildings to be bright, and she can be dark right now because we're going to add light to her. She's the subject. So you expose for the scene and then light for the subject. This is what it look like without light. So now we're going to add the light to bring it all together. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's a little too dark. Let's add a little more light. We're gonna go up 2 stops. One more time. One more again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Look past. Look that way. Yeah. Not up. Not up. Just over. Yeah. Here it is. 1, 2, 3. Cool. That's still a little bit too dark. So we're gonna get full power. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And so that's a dramatic look. So because it's so dark and she's just like one subject that's in the lighting, that give you more dramatic look. But let's try to balance it even more to make it look natural light. So I'm gonna cut the flash off, brighten her up. And I don't want the background to be so dark. So we're gonna use 200 and then 100. And step back over this way, please. Yes. Rotate your body this way a little bit. Yes. Matter of fact, you can look past it this way. Yeah. There's 1, 2, 3. And then I'll put the light on you. I don't need full power, I bet you. All right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's cool. All right, yeah. So that's another example. It's not as dramatic. When you make your background more dark, that gives you more drama. So there's that. All right, let's do like 2 more scenes and then we'll wrap it up. Let's use this gate